Not only do we have a lot of sunshine in Florida, we have a lot of things to do in the sunshine in Florida. Most communities are going to have swimming pools and spas where you can take a dip. They're going to have tennis and bocce. Many have walking trails, trails for walking, bicycling, jogging, in just absolutely beautiful areas that are manicured landscaping, beautiful places to be. Very calming and peaceful. Golf, of course, is huge here. Many golf courses. We have bundled golf, where it's in the community, private equity golf, where you join a private club. Those are hard to come by right now, and there's a shortage of them. There's public courses. Spanish Wells is a public course and also a private course and has 27 holes of golf. So there's all different kinds of golf available if you like to play golf. We also have fitness centers. Some communities have just some basic fitness equipment. Others have state-of-the-art equipment with professional staff that can help you. There are water sports, boating, fishing. Bonita Bay is, of course, on the bay and has those things available, kayaking. Wild Blue has boating available also on a freshwater lake. We have restaurants and bars, many different kinds of restaurants, from a casual bite to eat to fine dining. And in larger communities, of course, there's a variety. Bars, both indoor, outdoor, live music, beautiful places where you can meet friends and have a wonderful time. Some communities have libraries, theaters. Miramar has a theater. And then clubs within those things, like a book club or a car club or card clubs, where you can get together with friends and really have a good time. Some communities have things like beauty parlor, post office, gas station, all of the things like Bonita Walk and Village Walk and Island Walk. All of those have those conveniences within them so that you don't have to leave the community. Children's play areas. The Place has a beautiful children's play area and resort-style amenities that would keep your children entertained for a very long time. They also have a very cute golf cart parade on the 4th of July, and you decorate your golf cart patriotically, and then go around the community. Some communities have private beaches, where if you live in the community, you have access to a private beach. Most of them have transportation. That would be Bonita Bay, Pelican Landing, Talus Park, Mediterra, Pelican Bay. These have, and I'm sure there are more, have a private beach where you can easily get to it and enjoy the private setting. So come to Florida. I'd love to help you find out about what is available where, how much it costs. I'd love to take you on a tour so you can see these things for yourself. So please reach out to me. My phone number is 740-819-2951. I'd love to help you.